Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on AvaTrade. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AvaTrade website right here, avatrade.com, if you have not already. If you're using the mobile version, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, and on the App Store search for AvaTrade, find the application, install it. So once you've installed and open it up, it's going to go exactly the same. The process is exactly the same if you're using the web version or the application, doesn't matter. Now we can get started, and from here the first thing we're going to do is to go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is use the register now option. That's going to enable you to create an account. So once you've logged in, we can get started. From here, you're going to go and be able to access the trading section as well as the markets. From where we can go and access the stocks option, and in the stocks option we are going to search for NVIDIA Corp. Once you find NVIDIA Corp option guys, as you can see right here from the stock section, we are going to see this option right here, from where we can go and take a look at the charts to see how the price is doing and find all the relevant information. Alongside this, we're going to see the buy and sell options. So you're going to be able to buy stock using the buy option right here. As you can see, once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page to go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. But basically this is how to go ahead and get started buying NVIDIA stock directly on the AvaTrade, doesn't matter what platform. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.